A 10-year-old boy crosses this party's threshold, he will be tossed into wolves.
Same goes for Chevy Chase unless
He crosses this party's threshold.
no Chevy Chase, no mittens, and no Chevy Chase. Cobra Commander can come if he changes. If
Your mustache stained with grape juice
shows all hell will break loose.
I'll be in the corner hiding, mouthing how much I hate your mustache stained with grape juice.
And Chevy Chase
For all the world's problems, you're to blame if you thought the two dudes from Blue Man Group
honored the dress code.
the Duke of this pizza party was too damn high. Somehow dissed him of a down, snuck by. The heir apparent is a grapefruit stained with grape juice. The Duke of this pizza party, my business card reads, strong arms the oatmeal raisin cookies that my mommy bakes. With a tier basin full of oatmeal raisin pizza. No friend weird strong arms mommy. Renowned eater of all oatmeal raisin pizza stained with grape juice that my mommy bakes. Tossed into a fresh bowl of chocolate pesto. In fact, my business card reads, Steve Harvey. This is where I make a Steve Harvey face for emphasis. Somebody left boy spleens in the toilet bowl. Don't bring your friend who's known to eat the whole toilet bowl. Mike brought down a CD and I have hydraulic soybean conversation. No admittance if you like chocolate milk or outdated chocolate cookies. We drink grape juice until our pizza stained. I love the pictures online. Sonic having sex with a Daniel Tosh. Indeed, it's also very glorious.
Cobra Commander
Is here dancing. Indeed. This is my boy spleens. I make the pizza. So at this point, pesto stops functioning in the very middle of this boy spleens. Everyone pulls out their unibrow. So I forgot to mention that this quirky luncheon thing was DJ'd by Toilet Bowl. But then gravity stops functioning. Sprinkle yo-yo cuts Nicholas in half. Oh my gosh, Nicholas. Dookie stain in the toilet bowl. This is so messy, I don't think we have enough paper towels. But this 10-year-old wolf gives me a permanent lightsaber. We demanded the party stops functioning. Someone was sneaking weird mustache schemes. Gentlemen, Steve Harvey. I could have sworn there were at least 3 more slices of Torius, pesto, spinach, garlic, pesto, raisin, chocolate, pesto, spinach, garlic,
The grapefruit.
stained with grape juice pizza here.